Hey, what's up, everyone? What's going on? Back at it again. Haven't posted in a while. Yeah. So, anyways, while I was on my way to the grocery store one morning, my truck uh said cough cough, and it blew out some coolant. I kind of rubbed it, but I think coolant came out of there. It's green. I just topped this thing off. You know what I mean? Like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, and I don't know. Started testing it, and I was like, you know what? I might as well get this on camera. I mean, might as well. I checked the engine oil. I'm like, and it looked like shit. I ran some motor flush through it. I know I should have probably. I was supposed to run more doses through it. I just wasn't like um. I just wasn't thinking properly, and I ran all that shit through the bearings, and I think I blew a bearing or something. And so every time I crank this thing over, it makes a real bad grinding sound. It'll start, and then it'll just run real bad. And like I said, coolant coming out here, so I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna address the situation and see what's going on. I was also laughing because I also have a 5.3. As you know, if you seen other videos, if you don't know, don't watch the other bit. They're kind of bad. But look, this is my intake right here. Oh my god, that feels disgusting. Like, alright, so the reason why I don't want to touch it that much is look at it, it's crusty. Like the whole engine is just crusty. Like whoever had this thing, man, just really didn't give too much what was going on. Like both of these cars, like both of them, like man, they're really cool vehicles, really nice. Um, wouldn't it be hilarious? Look, I got me a Vortex 305. Nah, that's not funny. Okay, check this out. I have the heads for the LS, and I was like wondering, like maybe I can like Mickey Mouse those motherfuckers on there. I don't think so. Maybe. Maybe. Um. Because theoretically, it's just gonna make compression, right? Cool. Still dull valve. It's pretty much the same design. Well, after we tear this bad boy open, I mean, I do have like already a torn down 5.3. Awesome. Let me get this done. Get it done. And it takes. This is embarrassing. 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 You're embarrassing. So they can't even see what's going on. I'm the worst camera person. I need a camera. You can see my ugly head. Okay, finally. This is a little long ass nut. Take the shroud out. Get it back. And then I wish I could up the camera. Okay. And this is, yeah, a mess. Yeah, I made. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, is that a plug right there? Is that a radiator plug? No, that's not a radiator plug, is it? This is a radiator plug. That is radiator plug. That was awesome. I got that camera. Fucking missed the bucket though. There goes all my coolant. Shit's like $30. That was. Like, I fixed like the power steering on this thing. Like I fixed like the heating and shit on this thing. I can change the thermostat on this damn thing. Freaking replace the damn belt on this damn thing. Kept slipping off and shit. Lost like 3 of them. Like, man, I've been through some things with this truck. Cause I little fail it, and I'm like, Sally, you off $500. Like, you're stupid. I've already got like $4,000 invested in this thing. Might as well dump another 1,000 in it. Fuck. I like this thing. Like the mirror's hanging. This window like don't work. The dent, I did that fence. And then that, we bought it like that, the bottom damage. Then also, on this side, it already had like a little ding in it. And then like I did that at McDonald's. No, there was no power steering. It's not like I'm a bad driver or nothing. It's just, there was no power steering. Like, I love to see one of you motherfuckers in a, in a drive-thru with no power steering. Like, that is, no, that is not fun. With your wife and your kid, it's not fun. This is, fuck, it's filled the bucket, man. Like, this is gnarly. I think she's done, son, but too soon to call it. That's still going. She's not done. I thought I disconnect this hose. All I need to do is watch that video again. Like this dudes, they took all this part and they're like, it only took an hour and 30 minutes with 2 of them. So me, it's like 3 hours. Okay, we got double that. 4 hours, okay? Gotta add another one just in case. Give me time to do all my other extra curricular activities. And then to put it all back together, that's another 4. So that would give me like a total of like 8 hours. It's probably like 2 days. You know what I mean? Spread that out on a spreadsheet, realistically. So right now, I'll probably fuck with this, and like I'll get like almost there, and then I'll come back tomorrow. That sounds like tomorrow. I need to get a laptop. That way I can really edit these videos and, you know, fix things, and then start fixing my Camaro, and then like go buy another Camaro, and then finally do something with the LS that I bought like 4 years ago because America, and then put this cam and crap in that and make it do burnouts and go to Kuna again and go do other things, go hang out with fucking Cleater and fucking, you know what I mean, go be out there, you know what I mean, go do donies. Man, I gotta do some donies, bro. Like, what the hell, man? Like, I was doing donies and a bunch of bad things happened. I lost my other car. let's go talk about my. I think I have talked about my car, but that's the hood. That's the legend right there. The legend. That's what they call. That's what they called the car, the legend. And then this is the prodigy right here. This is the prodigy of the legend. This is what the legend always was, but never could properly be because it was smashed. Like I had like an antler, like a wave, like a wavy, like just about like a dent though. It was the most elegant thing I've ever seen. Like, and then the car was straight though. It was weird. Like these things are strong. Like and I'm touching that is pretty strong. Like it wasn't broken. Like the only thing that was broken, like it broke the bolt right here, and like it pushed all this off, and then like it fucked up this fender. Boom, and smashed like that fender. But like this shit was straight though. Like everything was straight. Like the only thing that I bent was this inner wall, core. So that chassis was kind of ruined. But that car was it ran the hell out of that car. And yeah, the side was fine, but it was like all missing paint and other stuff. And it was just bad. And I guess it needs a paint job. I don't want to mess up the paint that's already on it. And like the wheels were like all full of oil and dirt. Like I'm sure you guys seen it. Like there's like they're not even. Like I was like, what? Those wheels are chrome. Like when I saw this car, that's how it's supposed to. And you guys saw the hood, so I mean, it wasn't great. I mean, they put in like these what do they call them? These clear coats. They're not really the greatest clear coats, like I heard. I mean, this one is like what, 18 years old now, 19 years old. This clear coat on this truck. I mean, it's doing okay. It's got dinged up a bit, man. It is a work truck. And then I fixed this shit with the fucking wire, so open my damn gate, close it like a normal person. And I got this full bumper that doesn't even belong on this truck. But I'm gonna put some big old Johnnies on here. I'll lift this thing up like 6 inches. Put a solid axle in the front. Well, I don't know if I want to stick with the independent. I don't know, cause I'm a dooner. I mean, I do like going to the sand dunes, and I do like going fast, and I do like reliability. And I don't know, man, but this solid axle looks cooler though, in my opinion. But I don't know if it's better. You know what I mean? Whatever's better. You know, optimal performance. Man. And I gotta take this Johnny off. Do all the belt that I've replaced like 20 million times. This thing is still pissing all over the place. It's freaking awesome. Look. I had an audition today. I was supposed to go do that. I'm gonna cut my hair. Can you imagine that? Nah, I mean, but anyways, look. Really gotta clean all this stuff up. Like this engine, like I kind of sprayed some shit on it, some engine, like that engine cleaner shit. I mean, it did okay. I mean, it took off a lot of like they cleaned up a lot. I mean, but there's still just a lot on there. It's gonna be gross touching this thing. Just spray this thing. I just like spray it all down with water cleaner before I open it up. And like kind of try to clean it off a little bit more. Try to touch the thing. Like, man, it looks gross in there, dude. Like, shit looks so bad. I do not want to touch it. I'm like gear junkie, man. I got get this mother trucker going, you know what I'm saying? Take off this bracket. I'm sure it's just these couple bolts right here. It's gonna be incredible. The alternator, disconnect the alternator because it's racist. I'm disconnected from this Johnny. I don't know. The wiring harness. Hold that Johnny up. I got some zip ties in my room. This is gonna be fun.